A powerful machine that uses computer-controlled tools to cut and shape wood according to a design. A powerful grass-cutting machine uses rotating blades to cut the grass, and they come in various types, including manual, electric, and gas-powered models. Using a powerful man-made machine to chop wood saves both time and energy. These shoe-making machines use a vacuum table to hold materials in place, while the blade cuts all the pattern parts. This technology is critical for custom mass production. A chili powder making machine, also known as a spice grinder or pulverize, is a device that uses mechanical force to grind red chilies into a fine powder. Heating iron causes a physical change, allowing its shape to be altered while maintaining its chemical composition. When iron is heated, it becomes soft and malleable, making it easier to mold into a desired shape. A powerful machine can cut even the biggest log of wood with ease. The shape of the iron rods is changed using a powerful pressing machine.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.